Coax Technology, electronics manufacturing services. Founded in 1993, Coax has been helping customers grow and compete in a global marketplace for more than 25 years. We serve a wide range of markets, including aerospace, medical, industrial, consumer, smart systems, and more. From printed circuit boards to cable assemblies, to complete box builds, all of our products are designed and built in the USA. Our total solutions approach means we deliver more than your typical electronics manufacturing service provider. Our expert team of electronic, mechanical, and software design engineers uses state-of-the-art tools to concept, layout, and generate all design and assembly files. We design for manufacturability, and we design test fixtures. From prototype to full-scale volume production, our focus is to fast-track your custom assemblies and remain transparent before, during, and after delivery. Our quality assurance processes meet the most rigorous regulatory standards. Assembly operators are trained and certified for parts traceability. And our facility is ESD-free and environmentally controlled. Strategic sourcing ensures supply chain reliability, while process traceability optimizes planning and costs. Whether you're launching a new product, transitioning your manufacturing, or onshoring your projects, with Coax, you get scalable, full-service capability, all under one roof. Coax Technology, your partner for growth.